Took a swing at a wrecking ball and I prayed for my downfall, and I found a way to reconcile, 'cause in my heart it's not worthwhile. It's a bloody battlefield where some go down, others heal. In the end it's all the same. All you can do is play the game. Oh, do we say goodbye? Refuse to question why. I'm sad to say I'm sorry, so lie. Pretend that you're okay. Swear that you will stay. Keep trying for one day. I'm sick of all these lies. Don't care if I capsize. There's nothing left for me to hide.
What's up, fam? How are you doing? Welcome to my Fitness Friday. I'm actually breathing like that because I already started my warm-up. Those few moves that you saw me doing, yes, that's what we're gonna do for today, like the warm-up we're going to have today. So as you can see, I'm on a new location, I'm on a new spot, yes, and I spent a lot of time trying to figure out where I'll be shooting this Fitness Friday, and finally we are here, and I hope it's gonna work. If you like it, just let me know, leave a comment and let me know if you like this particular location, or should we keep searching for a best location for us. Anyway, so today I'm going to show you a few things that you can do to have a firm ass, yes, like firm booty. So that's what you're gonna do today. I'm only going to do 10 of each workout, so let's start straight away.
Throw a rock into a pond, ripples fade away. Human hearts aren't so lucky, those battle scars remain. Oh, I can't let go of the one thing I wanted most. I'm chasing echoes of your ghost. Can't let go of the one thing I wanted most. I'm chasing echoes of your ghost. La da 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 da, la da 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 da, la da 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 da.
Guys, we need to find a phone. I need to find a phone. Yes, this one. That I'm gonna use to do the last workout, which is 1 minute of 1 minute of bridge pose. Yes, like a plank. You know, they usually do 1 minute planks. We're going to do 1 minute of bridge pose. So yeah, so here we go. Make sure this part is very, very firm, like you hold it, your ass, that is. Wow, this is longer than expected. Whew. Did I press start? Thank you. So that's it for today. All we're gonna do is just have a quick stretch. Let's start by this.
I can't let go of the one thing I wanted most. I'm chasing echoes of your ghost. Can't let go of the one thing I wanted most. I'm chasing echoes of your ghost. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. Echoes of your
I think that's enough for today. So thank you so much for watching, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel, kindly do. If you like this particular video, thumbs up, and until next week on Friday, good people, kisses to you. Thank you.